Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use Apple Intelligence to rewrite emails. So open your mail or Gmail, right? And make sure to highlight exactly where you want to basically rewrite your email. Maybe you want to rewrite the whole email. So highlight the whole email and choose next to attachment below. You're going to see intelligence icon with a pencil. Just press it. And let's say I want it to fix my grammar. So hit proofread, and it's going to highlight exactly where the mistakes, right? So you can see that here's the first mistake, going your day, right? You can also rewrite the email. Hit rewrite. Can you see? Voila. They used another framing. You can also change the tone, right? Maybe you want to be more friendly. So choose friendly, right? Or if you're working in a corporate position, you can make it professional, right? And if you like what you see, you can just hit rewrite, right, to make it more professional. And if you're done, hit the check mark here, the blue check mark, to apply the settings. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.